how to create LinkedIn account. So if you want to create a LinkedIn account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Play Store or your App Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for LinkedIn, and here you need to install the application. Or you can also go with your browser to create your account. You don't need an application. So what you can do is just simply open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with. Tap on the search, and under search you need to search for LinkedIn. Tap on login or sign up, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can either continue with your Google or sign in with your email, or you can agree and join. So tap on agree and join, and here it will take you to create account page. Now you need to enter your first and last name. Tap on continue, and then enter your mail address that you've not used till now, and then go with continue. And you need to create your password. So make sure to create a strong password, and after that go with continue. And that's it. Your account has been created. Now you can just go with your location, your recent job title. If you're a student, you can go with I am a student, and then your university or school. Once you enter your information, tap on next and add your photo, or you can just skip for now, and your verification code. So enter the verification code that you've received to your mail address. If you've not received, you can go with resend code, which is on the bottom, so that you will again receive the code. Once your email is confirmed, now if you're looking for a job, you can go with yes, or if you're not, then just go with no, or you can also skip for now. So go with skip, which is on the bottom, and that's it. You can again go with skip. So that's how you can create your account. Tap on finish. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.